Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Saul Canelo Alvarez, kasalukuyang top pound for pound, reigning WBA at WBC World Super Middleweight Champion. May kasalukuyang kartada na 55 wins, only 1 defeat, 2 draws, 37 dito via KO at tubong Mexico. May edad na 30, may height na 5'8 at orthodox ang style niya. Pumasok sa pro noong October 21, 2005. Bago niya narating ang kasikatan at pagiging top pound for pound ay may 6 na undefeated boxer na pala siyang nakalaban at minansyahan ang malinis nilang listahan. Sabay nating balikan ang 6 niyang undefeated na mga kalaban na siya ang pinakaunang nagmarka sa malinis nilang kartada. Number 6, April 18, 2008, nakalaban niya ang kababayan niyang si Gabriel El Rey Martinez na may kartadang 17 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, siyam dito via knockout. Para ito sa WBA FIDE Centro welterweight title. Tinapos lang niya ang laban via 11th round referee technical decision.
De Guadalajara, Mexico, Saul.
Number 5, February 21, 2009, nakaharap naman niya ang undefeated na taga Dominican Republic na si Yuri Million Gonzalez na may record na 17 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, 12 dito via KO. Para naman ito sa WBO Latino welterweight title. Tinapos niya ang laban via 11th round TKO.
Comes right back at him. Worked the body a lot in this contest, but as he works upstairs now, because of he could be moving more laterally. Perez often able to head him off. But not interrupting the Alvarez. Two guys with mirror image styles have overcome that and put a line. They go right at each other, and here's some good work by Alvarez. 3 nice right hands and an uppercut. Some of Alvarez's better work in the fight. And he stunned Gonzalez. Gonzalez hurt for the first time in the fight, and there it is, it's over.
Saul Canelo Alvarez.
Number 4, April 20, 2013, nakalaban niya ang matibay ding defending champion, ang WBA Super Welterweight at undefeated ng Amerika na si Austin No Doubt Trout. May record itong 26 wins, 0 loss, 14 dito via knockout. Natapos ang maaksyong laban sa loob ng scheduled 12 rounds na bakbakan. Panalo si Canelo via unanimous decision.
So he kind of met him with that uppercut there.
And Canelo loads up with 2, make it by Trout. There's a nice 1-2 that catches Canelo. Canelo lunging in. Seconds left in the round. Oh, a nice jab from Canelo. That stings Trout, who comes back with the right hand.
So what that?
Oh, and a nice right hook
right
there.
hand. He doubled that right hand up. Oh, he's hurt.
We've reached the midpoint as a nice right uppercut by Canelo. In the case when you have a conventional fighter, and there is Canelo dropping Trout with a
Middle of the round. Trout came out to a lazy jab and got countered hard.
Canelo was looking for the counter right.
Play the way this round started, did you think it would end with Trout walking?
He sets. There's the 1-2 combination by the southpaw, and he gets jacked to the jaw again.
Canelo Alvarez landed.
There's a right hand to the body by Canelo. A 12-round distance fight. We're going to the judges' scorecards here in Texas.
Saul Canelo Alvarez.
Number 3, September 17, 2016, nakalaban naman niya ang pambato ng bansang Britanya, ang undefeated WBO World Super Welterweight Champion na si Liam Beefy Smith na may kartada na 23 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, 13 dito via KO. Natapos ang bakbakan nila via 9th round KO at nakuha ni Canelo ang titulo.
That required 6 stitches.
Oh, good shot, but can't keep giving up those big jabs right there either.
Got to block a lot of shots because Canelo's hitting him with everything. Good uppercut by Smith.
Mark on Liam Smith's face. Down the stretch.
Triple G landed that shot. Just as
Canelo backs into a corner for Smith. Let's see what Liam Smith can do to take advantage.
Sure. Oh, good shot by Smith.
Hard right hand by Smith. His best shots and his uppercuts. Uppercut. First the damage against Canelo, who's been brilliant so far.
in the movies, Rocky Balboa takes all the shots and somehow comes through.
Smith. A big right hand over the top by Canelo.
Canelo felt that left hook.
Smith is going to close this round.
By Liam Smith.
Yes, it is. Canelo actually defending well, but Smith.
Significance of the event and the number of punches that are landing on both sides.
Oh, good body shot.
If this were closer,
He still can make it entertaining.
Well, particularly with a guy who's not hard to fight every time.
well, this is why people are so
that's it.
anxious. There's knockdown number 3.
That's enough.
That's
And
it.
I don't think he can get up from
He
that.
won't get up no way.
Good round.
Saul Canelo
Number 2, September 15, 2018, nakasagupan niya sa pangalawang pagkakataon ang kilabot at kinikilalang isa sa pinakamahusay na boksidor at knockout artist sa kasalukuyan, ang undefeated WBA at IBO middleweight champion na si Gennady Triple G Golovkin. Matatandaang naglaban na sila noong taong 2017 pero split draw ang naging resulta, kaya sa rematch ng dalawa ay mas naging sobrang ma-action ang bakbakan nila. Bit-bit ni Triple G ang record na 38 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, 34 dito via KO. Natapos ang laban sa scheduled 12 rounds na bakbakan at pumabor kay Canelo ang dalawang hurado. Panalo siya via majority decision.
The ring allows Golovkin to apply his usual pressure. More aggressive Canelo Alvarez, we saw himself up and giving Triple G. That's a good thing. I'm going to go to the body. You have to go round for Triple G. He's actually searched 5th round. Middleweight. It's the same thing I'm telling Gennady Golovkin to do. Jab after the combination. They'll be on back. 1 second. That body shot landed. I hear urgency. Backing him up. Everyone says to fight. But to knock somebody down. Looking that Golovkin is not trying to energy. He picks it up. Come on, able with the stretch. The cut. Trying to go. I think it's an energy conservation.
Right hand from Canelo.
Oh, the man's down. Brown standing on. Gennady Golovkin. Warriors. And the game tonight.
And new WBC, WBA, IBO ring magazine middleweight champion, Saul Canelo.
Number 1, December 19, 2020, nakaharap naman niya ang kapatid ni Liam Smith, ang matibay ding undefeated WBA Super World Middleweight Champion na si Callum Mundo Smith na may kartadang 27 wins, 0 loss, 19 dito via knockout. Nakataya sa laban ang WBA title ni Smith at ang bakanting WBC World Super Middleweight title. Natapos ang maaksyong laban sa loob ng scheduled 12 rounds na bakbakan, pabor kay Canelo via unanimous decision.
La distancia le permite a Canelo, va estableciendo diferencia. Ya es hora de decir que tiene que reaccionar y poner punto final, ama. Un gran
la tengo que jugar, no le queda de otra, vuelve a meter la mano derecha, tras él, tras Callum Smith, lo conecta a la región blanda, ahí se doblaba Callum Smith, le dolió, está tocado.
En el boxeo mexicano e instalándose en el boxeo del mundo, porque está haciendo actuaciones cada vez mejores, está mejorando a esta altura.
Saúl Canelo Alvarez.
Ito ang 6 na boxer na walang talo bago nila nakaharap si Canelo. Kung may pang-7 na dudungisan si Canelo, sino sa palagay mo? Si Billy Joe Saunders na kaya? Ang inyong komento, question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
Sorted because obviously as you can see I tagged Eddie Hearn and Canelo the last video and the ring is not a problem, so thumbs are up.
The proud world champion, known simply, even regally, as Canelo.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.